How to fix contacts not showing on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. First of all, go to your settings of your phone. So after you come to settings of your phone, if you are using iOS device, just go and search for WhatsApp in this search bar. But if you are using Android device, scroll all the way to down and tap on this app management to go and select WhatsApp. So if you come to this section, tap on this app list. So if you come to this section, do tap on this search bar to search for WhatsApp. Here is WhatsApp, tap on it. After you open WhatsApp, scroll all the way to down and tap on this permission. So under this permission, all you have to do is scroll all the way to down and tap on this contacts. Under this contact, as you can see here, it says don't allow. So tap on this allow contacts. So now close your settings and go back to your WhatsApp. So now if you open your WhatsApp, tap on this icon. So now you can be able now to see all your contacts on your WhatsApp app. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.